box, so I'm gonna share with you how I marinate my jerk chicken. So first of all, I'm gonna just use this thin tray and I'm gonna put a piece of a grease-proof paper. Alright? But normally this is the way I normally do my chicken. I normally, you know what I mean, marinate it and put it in. Oh wow, I don't want this to drop on that. But anyway, yeah. Marinate it up and you know, make it soak first. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do. So this is how the chicken look. You know what I mean? And if you notice, if you watch that video which I did the other day, how I marinate the chicken, honestly guys, it was amazing. And you know, you guys gonna love it. It's something new and something fantastic. And 100% you guys definitely will love this. Alright? It's a beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo, and I like to share new ideas from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Alright? Yeah man, beautiful chicken recipe in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo today. Alright, so that's part one of it. Right there. As you can see for yourself. Alright, that's part one. So that's part one, the way how I marinate. And you know what I mean, this is just to show you how to cook the chicken. Alright? How to cook the chicken, trust me, you guys gonna definitely love this one. Alright? 100% you guys definitely going to love this and an amazing chicken recipe. So right here, as you can see, you can put it on your grill, or you can put it in your oven to cook it for roughly about an hour. You understand? You marinate it, washed off, clean up properly, and I use your good Caribbean fusion sauce jerk season to marinate it. So trust me. So what I'm gonna do now is just chuck this into the oven and cook this in the meantime. Alright guys? So yeah, of course I got my oven preheated already. Ah, lovely and nice. Yeah man, that looking good. So that's in the oven, the jerk chicken in the oven. What I'm going to do is simply show you how to cook some rice and peas, because it's Father's Day and a lot of people that are home right now. The fathers them they're home, chilling and all them thing there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply show you how to make this an amazing rice and peas. You know what I mean, by using some tin peas. Alright, we're gonna be using some tin peas because you know what I mean, yeah, you know, sometimes you want to try something different. Alright, and this is where Chef Ricardo come in and try to show you certain things. Alright, before I go any further, I'm gonna be just using this side of stove right there, so cause this even much better to do the rice and peas into. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this on an amazing Jamaican rice and peas with the tin kidney bean. Alright, sometimes it's good to do something totally different at home, and this is where I'm saying Chef Ricardo come in handy, and you know, yeah, you guys definitely gonna love it 100%. Alright, so stay tuned in, watch the video, and I'm gonna simply show you exactly how you can make yourself some Jamaican rice and peas using kidney bean in the tin. Sometimes it's good to just do something different. Alright? Alright, so you know what I mean, yeah. Sometimes it's just nice to just try something different at home. But what I'm going to do, alright guys, to be honest with you, I got some to be honest with you, I have some coconut which I want to make some. Before I do anything further, because you know what I mean, let me show you first. What I'm gonna do first is do this one first. I'm gonna do the coconut milk first, alright? Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simple blend up some natural coconut. Alright, because you know what I mean, I like my natural coconut when it blend. Because right now, I'm in a rush. Alright, but just take it easy right now. Alright, no rush and no fuss. Alright, now, what I'm gonna do is simply show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely Jamaican coconut. Alright, coconut milk. So basically, right from the supermarket, I just bought myself a nice, lovely coconut. Here it is. I start to cut it up already. And I just, you know what I mean, take it from the shell, loose it up, and cut it up. Alright? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is cut up this mess now. Yeah, man. Sometimes it's just nice to do something totally different at home, alright? So now, what we're gonna do is simply show you how to do your coconut milk at home, alright? So let's jump into this right now. Coconut milk first. We're gonna show you. So you cut up your coconut just like this, and I'm gonna use a medium-sized coconut. Alright? Medium-sized coconut with Chef Ricardo today. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So I'm using a medium-sized coconut because you don't know what we're now. It's just like I'm going to use probably about 4 cups of rice. But the thing behind right now, what I want to simply show you guys. I'm going to teach you certain things because a lot of people doesn't know. Alright, right now, I'm soaking my rice into some water. Alright, for about 3 hours now. I've been soaking the rice into some water. You might ask Chef Ricardo, why are you doing this? It's a new way of washing the rice and get rid of the cloud from the rice. Alright? A lot of people then do not wash them rice properly. And I'm rushing probably about 3 cups of rice right here. You know what I mean? As you can see. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain off this water. I'll put on a fresh water. Alright, so right there is some fresh water on the rice. Alright? So the rice want to soak in the meantime. You know? Cutting up the coconut to make some coconut milk. That's what Chef Ricardo is going to do right now. Alright, so we're going to do some coconut right now. Yeah, man, really nice one, guys. It's Father's Day, and trust me, you need for us to do something at home for the fathers them. If you know it, you know what I mean, if you're at home and you feel like you want to do something. But Chef Ricardo always in the kitchen and, you know, yeah, always have to show you guys. Nice and lovely. So that's the coconut right there. Yeah, man. You have to do the coconut the right and proper way. Alright? Now, what we're going to do is get some water and put on it. Alright? We're going to put roughly about a cup of water because we don't want to put too much water. Alright? 1 cup of water. Nice one. Chicken in the oven right now. Yeah, man, the chicken looking good. Yeah, that's all. Simmer that chicken. The flavor from the chicken gonna be amazing. Now we're using the Caribbean Fusion Jerk season, so it's gonna be totally different. Alright. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this, alright? For about 2 to 3 seconds and see what I go on. Alright, now I'm going to put a little bit more liquid inside of it to blend it up, alright? Just a little bit more, not much. Because we don't want to have too much liquid. Alright? I'm just going to give it another blend. back in the days, our grandparents would be sitting down around the fireside and us grate the coconut. You know what I mean? Yeah man, but it's modern days now, we're not gonna do that. Alright, now we just blend the coconut. What we wanna do is run it through our strainer. Alright? Yeah man, we're gonna run the coconut juice through our strainer. Just like this. Alright? Yeah man. See that? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Alright? So what you wanna do? Make it go and drain out. Alright? Yeah. You're gonna just go and take time and drain right out. Trust me guys, because it's something we should normally do all the while. Alright? Nice one. So yeah, that's the coconut milk for the rice and peas. Right there. Alright, this is the coconut milk for the rice and peas. So we're gonna allow that for it to go and drain. Alright, and in the meantime, we're gonna crack up on some rice and peas now. Alright, left hands at the side, and that can go and drain. Now, let's cook the rice and peas. No! And that's the main important part of everything right now, alright? So the coconut milk is finished. Let's go to the rice and peas section, how to make the rice and peas, because this is going to be very important for you and Chef Ricardo, alright? We don't want to get this thing spoiled, alright guys? So we want to get it right, done and dusted, alright? So now, what we're going to do, I'm going to simply show you how to make the Jamaican rice and peas. So you want a medium sized pot on the stove. Alright. Yeah, medium sized pot on the stove. Right, as you can see for yourself. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna be using a whole heap of water in the pot. Alright? We're just gonna simply put in roughly about a cup of water now into the pot. Alright? 1 cup of water. And the thing what I want to simply say to you, I'm using red kidney bean, and you can get that in a local shop or your supermarket for buy. Alright, so yeah man. Alright, now the thing with me, to be honest with you guys, you see these red kidney bean? I know that there's a lot of let's see what inside of it to keep it a little bit. Alright, now to be honest with you, me personally, I like to just rinse off this kidney bean, to be honest. You understand? A lot of people doesn't like to do that. They like to chuck it in it, but I think the chemical was to preserve it. You don't want to have that in too much in the pot, alright? Yeah. So we're just gonna rinse off the kidney bean. I don't like to have too much of this, what you call it, chemical in the food. Alright? Yeah man. You want to just keep the thing on a different level. But I'm going to show you exactly how this is going to come out lovely and nice. Alright? Yeah man. Nice one. Alright, so right here, I'm going to simply show you what I'm going. Alright. So right here guys, let me show you what I'm going right now. If you notice, I just wash off the kidney bean. Alright, you can do the same thing at home if you want to learn something new. Wash off the kidney bean, alright? You don't want to put the chemical in your stomach. Alright? Because there is chemical to preserve these. That's why they have them so long in a tin. You don't want to put that chemical into your body. So what you want to do, you want to rinse it off and put it in. I'm using 2 kidney bean into this rice and peas today. Alright? Yeah, so I'm going to simply show you exactly how to do this on an amazing rice and peas. So don't feel no way when you hear me say I do not want to put any chemical into the rice and peas. I know the reason why. But what we're going to do, we're gonna put some fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, and now what we're going to do, we're gonna put some spring onion. I'm gonna simply show you how to, do this little bit of rice and peas by using red kidney bean in the tin. Some people like it with a lot of red kidney bean. Some people doesn't like it with too much red kidney bean. All right. Right here we got some garlic. We're gonna put some garlic inside of it. All right, and I'm gonna so we're just gonna crush the garlic. All right, and put them in it. So we're gonna use 3 cloves of garlic. All right. We got 1 medium-sized white onion, which we're gonna be using. Nice one. So, to be honest with you guys, a lot of people doesn't like to use a lot of people when they're cooking the red kidney bean, they want to wash it off, you know what I mean? But to be honest, they don't want to put too much of those chemical inside of you. Alright? So that's the white onion. Now, stick up in, don't go anywhere, watch the video. Because, you know what I mean, I got a few ingredients which I want to use. And I'm important, alright? Yeah, man, these ingredients is a secret ingredients. We got some Jamaican pimento seed. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pimento seed. Yeah, 6 pimento seed gonna make the difference. All right, guys. Yeah. That's gonna make it look a little bit different. Now, the thing, as I said, you do not want to put the juice of the red kidney bean in the pot. It's too much chemical. So be careful of that. Alright guys, I've been repeating myself, but just to make you guys know exactly what I go on. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to put some black pepper. And we're just going to keep the thing natural and authentic. Alright? What I go on right, so let me see what I go on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright. You can put a little bit of chili. Just to season up the rice pot, alright? You can put a little bit of garlic powder if you like to. Alright. Yeah man. All of them that can go inside of it. Right is. I got the Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice season. This is the all-purpose one. I'm gonna be using this one, alright? I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of this inside of it. This one. Salt-free season. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one inside of it. But it's not a salt-free cooking. Alright? But I like to use this season inside of it. Alright? Beautiful. Give this a stir. Alright, now the thing I wanna simply say to you, and if this pot is a little bit too small. I think the pot is too small, you know. So I think I'm gonna have to use a bigger pot for that. Alright, let's get a bigger pot. We don't want the thing to spoil, you know. Yeah, we have to get a bigger pot. Alright, so I'm gonna transfer it into a bigger pot. Alright, let's get a bigger pot. Because we don't want the thing to spoil. We want to keep it real and authentic. Nice one. So we get a bigger pot. I got a lot of peas inside of it. A lot of people when they cook rice and peas, some people like a lot of peas, some people doesn't like a lot of peas inside of it. But me personally, I love a lot of peas in mine. Alright? Yeah man. Cause you know, peas is good for you, sometimes. Alright? What I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning I normally use inside of it, alright? Not much, just a little bit. Alright. So as you can see, still looking good. You know what I mean? And I'm doing it a different kind of way. Normally I would soak my peas, boil it off, and make some red kidney bean. And I'll make some rice and peas. But today, different way today. Alright, what I'm gonna do, this is the coconut milk, rich coconut milk where we just blend up. We're gonna pour this inside of it. Alright, that looking good. Yeah man, that looking nice. Trust me. And I'm gonna see color it when we're done with it. Cause I'm gonna squeeze out some more of this coconut milk now. Cause there's more in it now. Yeah man. Yeah. You wanna get this and squeeze it out into all that, like a, you know. That looking good, right there, trust me. Now the thing I want to simply say to you, you see the trash of the coconut? Let's get a little bit of the trash of the coconut and put it in it. Just a tiny little bit, no, don't put too much. Alright, so I just get a little bit more of the coconut milk out of that and I put it straight inside of it. Beautiful. That looking good. Alright, now, yeah, that looking really and amazing. Alright, let me see what I go on now. A lot of people when they're cooking the rice and peas and put 2 pounds of sugar. You know what I mean? Let's taste this and see what I go on. Ah, oh my god. That tastes wicked, man. Wow. Look at that. Alright, now, what we're going to do, we're just going to have a simple, put a little bit of salt, not much, because we don't use too much salt in our cooking, alright? And I'm using a good sea salt. You can use the sea salt too, guys, trust me. Beautiful and nice. So you want this to boil. So it'll boil up nicely. Yeah, that's what you want it to boil up. So that's what I'm saying. You don't need to put, when you open your red kidney bean, you do not need to put the liquid in it. Because too much chemical, alright guys? Yeah. But as you can see, our Chef Ricardo just did this and look at that. Beautiful and nice. Because a lot of people, when they open the red kidney bean, they chuck everything in it. There's a lot of chemical in it, guys. Alright, so you have to be careful. And you don't want that. You need to wash off your red kidney bean and make sure it's alright, alright? So that looking nice. Now let's taste this again and see where we are. Oh yeah. That is perfect. Yeah man. Real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. No, this is not the real authentic Jamaican rice and peas. Alright? This is the red kidney cooking. Alright here. I'm using the red kidney bean, alright? The real authentic way, you have to soak your peas from overnight and make it. Alright? So just make this go and steam for a little bit because there's a... You need to watch this video now guys, because this video what I'm doing right here is going to be a different total video from every other video where Chef Ricardo do. Alright, so this is a video where you want to stick around and watch very carefully. It's not something to muck about with right now in the kitchen. Alright, we're just kind of just clear these because I need to wash some rice properly to put inside of that when they boil up a little bit more. Alright, yeah man. But as I can see, that looking good. Medium size heat. Alright, just to go and cook in the meantime. Let me just see that. Alright, it's going to cook in the meantime. Trust me, it's going to be one of those kind of recipes where you say to yourself, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much man for that recipe. Yeah man. Alright, this is the rice. We're going to wash off the rice in the next few minutes. Alright, just want that to cook some more. In the meantime, let's clear some of these right here. But it's a beautiful recipe. And I know you guys definitely gonna love this one. God, there's a twist to this one where you guys never do before. And I wanna share this recipe with you guys where, you know, yeah, something totally different. Alright, now let me see what I'm going. Let me see natural Jamaican, big up yourself. So this recipe, guys, is just a simple recipe where you can do. Some people put butter, sugar, olive oil, vegetable oil on the rice, but I'm gonna simply show you, you don't need all of those things in the rice. And the rice and peas can come out love the same way. It's just a simple little thing. You know what I mean? As I say, some people put a lot of stuff in the rice and peas, but you don't have to do those things, alright? Because the coconut milk have a lot of oil in it, man. Yeah, the coconut have a lot of oil, so you don't want to put too much oil and all them things there. Some people put butter, sugar, vanilla, all sort of stuff in the rice and peas, but yeah, we're just gonna keep it simple today. Very, very simple little rice and peas from Chef Ricardo. So if you want to learn how to do this one, you just have to just watch the video. And, you know what I mean, share some love. Share some love, guys. You know what I mean, share the video. And share some love. Yeah, simple little rice and peas from Chef Ricardo cooking. Nice one, guys, as you can see, that looking good. Alright, now let me see what I'm going with the chicken. Alright. Oh man, smell that chicken. That chicken looking good. Yeah, chicken looking good. Alright. Yeah, chicken looking amazing. Now, this one, let me see what I'm going right here. Alright, because you know, when we are in the kitchen, we make things happen. And it's a simple one, guys. Alright, once you make your liquid boil up like this, trust me, you're good to go. Alright? Look at that. Look at the water. You don't need the water to be red and you know what I mean. You can just make it simple like this. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash that rice, alright? And as I say, I've been soaking my rice for about 3 hours now, man, in the water. Yeah, 3 hours you have to soak your rice for. Nicole, big up yourself, man. Alright, the thing now guys, when you're washing rice, you can't use long fingernail and wash rice, alright? You have to have sharp nails to wash rice because you will have a lot of white stuff in it. When you're washing your rice at home, you cannot use long fingernail to wash your rice, okay? It's better for you to use, you know what I mean, short nails to wash rice because rice come with a lot of germs and a lot of stuff, preservative and all them thing there. So it's better for you to soak your rice and then you wash it after, okay? So all of the ladies who have long fingernails are gonna wash their husband rice and peas today. On Father's Day, you need to take off the nails them and, you know what I mean, sort yourself out, alright? Now, red flag. Anyway, today's Father's Day, you know what I mean, we try to make the thing different, alright? And, you know, yeah, here it is. Rice and peas, red kidney bean. Now put the liquid, wash off the kidney bean, soak your rice about 3-4 hours. And then you scrape it out in the pot like this. Alright? That's all I want because you saw the rice look different. Yeah, but the rice here is a dodgy rice. Now you have to be careful with them kind of rice. You don't want too much liquid in the pot neither. Alright? Yeah. Yeah man. You don't want too much liquid in the pot. So, because this is a rice where easy to cook. Is this one named basmati rice. Very, very easy to cook. You don't want to put too much liquid in the pot. Alright? So you just want to keep it. So what I'm going to do is try and take out a little bit of that liquid. Alright? We don't want to put too much liquid in the pot. So we can make us where we are. Alright, so let's take a little bit of the liquid from the pot. Because this rice is a very easy rice to cook. And you don't want to have too much liquid in the pot. That looking good. Now, let's go on right now. Yeah, you're supposed to see the rice and all them things there. See all these now? Boil off and you can take them out. Fresh time. Alright? Yeah man. Beautiful one. Alright, now look at this. Alright? Chef Ricardo's secret recipe for you today. And I want you guys to try this one at home, alright? Once you have a alright, once you guys have one of these at home, try this one. Alright? If you have a big tongue, you can use it, but you know what I mean, I don't have a big one. So what I'm gonna do is tie this around it, because this is a secret recipe from Chef Ricardo to you today. Alright, we're gonna show you how you can cook your rice in a different way. Alright, this is Chef Ricardo's secret recipe. Alright, now, yeah, you want to get the clean flame around it, just like this. Alright, yeah. Come on, don't do that. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this little lid and cover it like this. Alright, we're gonna steam out that. Alright, try this at home, guys. Chef Ricardo recipe, new ideas for you. And that's why I want you to watch the video, because you don't know what I'm doing. And this is a very important way for you where you can try it at home. If you want to make something different, some rice and peas or something different, and your rice and peas come out totally different, then this is another way for you. Alright? Yeah. Turn on the stove a little bit low. Very, very low. Not too high. Because you don't want to burn up the rice. So you want to turn it down very, very low. Alright? Yeah. Be careful of this around the fire though. Alright? Because you don't want to burn up your tea towel. Alright? So be careful. If you're using a gas electric cooker, like what I'm doing, is more easy for you. But if you're using the gas one, you have to be careful. Alright? So this is a new recipe for you, Nicole. Not for you guys who cooking at home rice and peas and you want to try something different. Try that way. Alright? This is a brand new recipe from Chef Ricardo to you guys today. And you know what I mean, you can try something different, guys. Trust me. And you will see the result. Alright? It's a beautiful way. And 100% you guys will love this. Brand new ideas for you guys to try at home. Your rice and peas from Chef Ricardo today. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. Try this at home and tell me what do you think. Yeah, brand new way for you guys. If you want to learn to do something totally different at home, try this way. Rice and peas. New recipe, new ideas from Chef Ricardo cooking today. And I know you guys definitely gonna love this way what I'm doing right here. Alright? So all the Instagram audience, big up on yourself, respect, shout out to every one of you guys. Yeah. Alright, so right now, as I said, big up on yourself who I watch so far. You know what I mean? We just concentrate on the cooking. Cooking are going on good. Yeah. But yeah, this is the new way which I want to share with you. And you know what I mean? It's rice and peas and jerk chicken and Father's Day dinner. Big up on yourself, all of the father them out there who right now, some father probably live on the road right now, I do something and all sort of stuff are going on. But all of the father who make it possible for be there for the kids and big them up. All the single parents and the single mother, big up on yourself, one heap of love and respect. And you know, Chef Ricardo say, yeah, keep up the good work. You know, we have to keep the little one them going. Alright, I'm see what I go on with the jerk chicken. Alright, that looking good. Jerk chicken looking fantastic and amazing. Yeah. That's exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, man. Jerk chicken looking good. Yeah. So the jerk chicken are cooked at the moment. Yeah, that looking good. Really good. Really, really, really good. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, so basically the rice are cooked. We're just gonna give the rice a couple more minutes. And remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice Jerk Seasoning right here. This is the one I use to marinate the jerk chicken. Alright, but anyway, with the rice and peas, I only use 3 cups of rice and 2 kidney beans. And as I said, guys, anytime you open your red kidney bean, I'm asking you, please wash off. You know what I mean? I'm using the red kidney bean, but the liquid in the red kidney bean, do not use it in the rice and peas. I did it before, but I learned that there's a lot of chemical in it. Because if you read the ingredients and the instruction behind it, it tell you. Okay, so you have to be careful because there's preservative which is in the kidney bean to keep it long. All right, so you don't want to put everything in the pot. It's better for you to wash it. Anything you open from the tin, you're supposed to wash it and then you use it. All right, guys. If any kind of red bean, butter bean, broad bean, anything in the tin, you open a tin and you know what I mean, you want to make something with it. It's better for you to wash it. All right, and then you use it. Okay, it's better for you guys. All right, because the preservative inside of it keep it long, and you know what I mean, it doesn't good for you. All right, so you just have to look after yourself. Trust me, and that's the best way how you can look after yourself at home is try and avoid of using a lot of stuff which have chemical and preservative inside of it not to use. All right, so yeah, give it a try and give it a go right here as you can see. All right, now just a little quick ideas I make you guys can see what going on. You might say, Chef Ricardo, what's going on? But look at that. All right, so basically what it do, it steam out all of that chemical out of the anything inside of it. You just, you know what I mean, take it out and steam it out and you're good to go. So you can give it a try at home and trust me, you will see the result. It's steaming through that little hole. Normally, you're supposed to just wrap it around like this. Alright, or if you have something you can just tie it around, it's even much better. Alright, but I'm gonna see if I have, if this can work. But if you're using a cling film, alright, just like this, just to show you exactly, I just want to show you guys something. You just wrap it around it like this, alright, just like this, and just like this, alright. I was trying it earlier, but for some reason I was like, can't be bothered. But this is the way it's supposed to do. Alright, then you can just wrap it. Alright. But you're not supposed to come off. You're supposed to just keep it on it like this. Seal it tight. If you have like a rubber band or something, it's even much better to keep it on it. But I'm just simply showing you what you can do if you're at home and you know what I mean, you want to try something different. This is a remedy for you right here, where you guys definitely gonna enjoy it of making your rice and peas, whatever you're gonna make at home. Alright, but as you can see, yeah, it can work 100%. Trust me, it can work because you know what I mean, I did it before and it works. Alright, so yeah, but as I can see, give it a try and give it a go. But it's a beautiful way, and trust me, you guys definitely will love it the way how I'm dealing it right now. Alright, but as I said, you guys definitely will love these ideas right here. Still keep tuning, guys, because you know what I mean, we still have a little bit to go, you know what I mean. Yeah, but as I say, it's just a little bit of ideas, and you know what I mean, ideas which I'm sharing with you guys. So hopefully you guys will love the ideas, you know what I mean. I'm not here to say okay, I'm just here to show you exactly what you can do at home if you want to make a little bit of rice and peas. Try and avoid certain kind of chemical and certain kind of stuff in your rice and peas. All right, so yeah, that's the best thing to do when you're making the rice and peas at home. All right, but trust me guys, it is a beautiful one, guys. You guys definitely will 100% love that, and an amazing rice and peas. All right, please share some love. Happy Father's Day. Big up all of the fathers them, and shout out to every one of the fathers them who make it possible just to sit back and watch this on an amazing video. And big up yourself on Instagram. Shout out to you, and well, even ever bless. Thank you so much. 007 One Love. Big up yourself on Instagram. All right, that's the Instagram audience. Let's see what's going on the YouTube channel right now. Yeah, this is what's going on the YouTube channel. So on the YouTube channel we got Natural Jamaican. Big up yourself. All right. All right, Nicole, always big up yourself. All right, guys, this is gonna be like a part one. So look out for the part two now on my YouTube channel because this part one. I have to cut the video into two, and I'm gonna have to give you part one and part two. All right. So this is gonna be like part one of the video. So please join me with the part two. All right. So this is gonna have to be part one, guys. Please join part two after the next 10 minutes with this video. All right. Because I want to show you exactly what's gonna happen with this and an amazing rice and peas. All right. So that's part one. So let's do part two. All right. So Jamaica natural Jamaican, big up yourself. Thank you so much. So this is gonna have to be part one of the rice and peas. So I have to end this one and come in with part two. All right, guys. Part two will be coming soon. So yeah. I have to end this one and come in with part two. Yeah, I have to end this one and come in with part two. All right, guys, beautiful one. But to be honest, my Instagram audience, please check out the part two video. All right, this is part one. Stay tuned in, but come back with part two video on my Instagram. All right, so yeah, we're gonna show you how to finish up this rice and peas today. This is one of those kind of video where you want to watch, guys. This is going to be an amazing one today from Chef Ricardo. But I definitely want to show you guys how to do this one. And trust me, it is just lovely and amazing. So don't go anywhere. Stay right there and watch the video, guys. It's gonna be an amazing one from Chef Ricardo today. 100%. The chicken is still in the oven, so we soon take the chicken from the oven. It's just one of those kind of one where you have to take your time and, you know what I mean, deal with it the right and proper way. All right, yeah, but it's beautiful, lovely, and also delicious. Alright guys, stay tuned in. I soon finish up this one. Gonna be a little bit of time, but yeah, it's gonna be an amazing one. soon finish up, guys. Dip on it. We dip on it. Dip on it. Like, alright. Yeah, man. Look at that. Beautiful one. As you can see right there, it's just going to steam right now. It's steaming down, guys. When I say proper steaming down, I mean proper steaming down right now. It's just getting right to the bottom of this rice and peas right now in the air. This is it. Look at this now. All right. The thing was, as I said, I'm gonna simple show you exactly what I go on right now. All right. This rice and peas, what I cook right now, is just a simple little magic recipe for you guys. Here it is. Let's take a good look at it. You know, look at this. I want you guys. You have to learn. You know what I mean? You're never too old to learn, but trust me, with this Scotch bonnet pepper, you want to remove it because you know you don't want it to burn up you and you don't enjoy your food. Alright, you'll need to enjoy your food. So let's take this out and put this one side. Alright, now, yeah, this is alright. And as you can see, yeah, it's a little bit warm, you know what I mean? Yeah, still looking good. Yeah. That looking amazing, guys. Trust me. The kind of rice I'm using still is a classic basmati rice. It's different kind of rice from every kind of rice you can ever think of. So you have to know how to cook this rice. And you can't have too much liquid. It is a classic basmati rice. One of a kind rice. You don't easy to get those kind of rice. Trust me. You know what I mean? It's yeah, but yeah, it's a very, very nice rice and it is a classic rice. But you have to know how to cook it because if you don't know how to cook it, trust me. You know? Yeah, some people when they cook the rice and peas, they might go wash it off. You don't need to do it. Trust me, you don't need to wash off your rice and peas, guys. Alright, but as you can see, the classic basmati rice is different from every kind of rice. So that's why you see I take a lot of liquid from it. Alright, but it's still looking good. We're gonna just simply try it and see. Yeah. So we're just gonna give it a couple more minutes. We still have it on a medium size heat. But it's just beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing one. Alright? Yeah. So we're going to give it a couple more minutes and then we're going to take it off here. Beautiful one. Lisa, big up yourself. AJ Chef, big up yourself, man. AJ, big up yourself. AJ. Lisa D, thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it, Lisa D. 100% Lisa D. Alright? Alright, someone on Instagram is saying, did you use tin peas? Yes, I use the tin peas. Alright, I use a tin one. I use 2 tin with 3 cups of rice. But the thing I want to simply say to you, I did not use a liquid from the tin. Alright, I did not use the liquid from the tin. I use I wash off the red kidney bean first, then I use it after. That's the best way to do your rice and peas with red kidney bean, alright? Do not throw everything in the pot, guys. Red flag. I used to do it before, but too much chemical. So you don't want to do that. But the rice and peas, trust me, it's going on 100% good. And I'm happy for the result what I'm getting from it so far. Alright? 100% things looking good so far with the red kidney bean. Alright? Trust me. Yeah, the red kidney bean is going on really good. And yeah, it's good. Really nice and simple one, guys, from Chef Ricardo this evening. Alright, let's see what I go on with the jerk chicken. Alright? Yeah, we're gonna show you what I go on with the jerk chicken. Yeah. Alright, now with the jerk chicken, what I want to do is to show you exactly what I go on in the kitchen with the jerk chicken, alright? Because, you know, Chef Ricardo like to show you guys exactly what I go on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it from the oven. Alright. Yeah, man, that's the jerk chicken right there. Alright. I'm going to simply show you exactly what I go on in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking today. Alright. Now, let's go over there with the camera, guys. Don't keep the thing for a secret. You know, we want to share them with everything while I go on. Alright, now, over there as you can see, I just take the jerk chicken from the oven. Alright, and now, I'm going to simply share a little bit of recipe secret with you. Alright, what you want to do is take the chicken from this lovely sauce right here. Alright, we're going to take the chicken from it. Look at the juice of the chicken. Okay, you see this beautiful juice right here? Trust me, you do not want to get rid of this juice. You want to do something with it, like make a nice lovely sauce or something from it. Alright, so that's what we want to do with this liquid right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pour this liquid in another container. And I'm going to simply show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely sauce from this chicken, alright? From the chicken gravy we left over. Alright, we're going to simply show you. So let's put back the chicken in the oven. Because the chicken need to cook some more. We're going to turn it over to this side. And we're going to cook it some more. Alright, look at that, guys. So it's beautiful and I cook nice. Alright, now we're just going to turn over. Look at the chicken. It cooked to the bone. But we're going to put in it and get some more color off of it. Alright, and we're going to show you how to make a lovely sauce for the chicken. Alright, we're going to show you how to make a beautiful sauce for the chicken what we're going to use. Nice one. So we're going to put back this in the oven right now. Lovely and nice. Let's put this aside. Alright, now we got some I'm going to show you how to make a sauce for your chicken, alright? And this is going to be Chef Ricardo's secret today for you guys. Alright, please don't tell anyone though. Alright, please do not. Alright, please do not tell anyone about this recipe. Let's put this one right here and turn on that back one and that one over there. Alright, make it go on steam. Now, the thing is with this sauce which I'm going to make. I don't want you to tell no one about this recipe. It's only for me and my audience who normally, you know what I mean, support Chef Ricardo. Alright, we're gonna simply show you how to make this beautiful, beautiful jerk sauce recipe for your jerk chicken. Now guys, this is the sauce which I pour off from the chicken. Pour it off inside of the pot. Like that. Alright? Beautiful. Alright? Pour a little bit more water inside of it. It's amazing, fantastic, lovely, and delicious recipe from Chef Ricardo today. And I just say a Father's Day. Let's sell off the Father's Day. You know what I mean? I know I'm not supposed to be in the kitchen, but my daughter's still young. She can't cook yet. She's still young, you know what I mean? I have to just deal with the food. Like you don't know Chef Ricardo in the kitchen, we have to deal with the food the right way. Alright? Yeah. We have to make sure everything I run the right and proper way. Alright? Yeah, man. Now, as I said, I use, wow, this sauce is amazing. I use the Caribbean Fusion Jerk seasoning. Alright, jerk sauce. I'm gonna put roughly about half tablespoon on it, alright? This one is amazing. Jerk seasoning. Alright? Yeah, man. Beautiful one from the Caribbean Jerk Season Company, alright? Trust me, check them out on them Instagram and them Facebook page. The link for the Caribbean Fusion Jerk Season is in the description box. Please support your local business, guys. Alright, what we're going to do, we're just going to put a little bit of a browning. Just a little bit of browning, food browning inside of this. Just to give it a little bit of darker color. We have here a medium-sized heat. Right there, as you can see. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put a cloves inside of this. One cloves, bringing a little bit of spicy flavor to it. Alright, let's see what I go on. Let's taste this and see where we are. Wow. Ah, that is really spicy. That is really, really spicy, guys. That is spicy, and that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to put one Scotch bonnet pepper into the pot, just like that. Alright, now, I got some of the Caribbean salt-free seasoning. This is the all-purpose. I'm going to put a little bit in it. That's the salt-free one, guys. Wicked, trust me, proper. The link is in the description box. You need to get this one. Then we're going to put a little bit of the jerk seasoning from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website into it. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, that looking good. Yeah, man, that looking proper. Now, the second thing what you want to do, you can, if you want, you don't have to, you can, you know what I mean, we're just going to put a little bit of ketchup inside of it, because you don't know ketchup normally thicken up your sauce and all them thing there. Everyone, we're going to put roughly about 2 tablespoons in it, just to give it a nice little body. Oh, that smells amazing. It's so strong, the jerk season. Alright, that looking good. Let's put another tablespoon of the ketchup inside of it, alright? You don't have to use ketchup. Some people use corn flour and thicken them sauce. But I just use a little bit of ketchup inside of it, because that can bring in a flavor to it. Alright, we have a medium-sized heat. Right there, look at that. Beautiful. Alright. So we're just going to make that thick now, right now, a little bit. Honestly, hold on it. Yeah. Yeah, man. That looking good. Yeah. That something better now. Alright, guys, listen to me now. If you're gonna write something on YouTube and you think you're gonna write something out of the appropriate, you have to be careful because they will delete your YouTube channel. It's not me. Alright, so please do not write anything where you feel like you want to write on the channel. Is not me. Alright, so yeah. So be careful of what you're writing. Anyway, thank you every one of you guys who come in and watch and share some love. Alright. You have to be careful where you're writing. Lisa D, big up yourself. Stylus, big up yourself. AJ, big up yourself. Lady B, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Long time. Nick Cole, big up yourself. Listen now guys, if you're coming on the channel and writing stuff, be careful. It's not me gonna hide anything from you. And not only that, your channel will be get deleted by YouTube, so you have to be careful while you're writing, alright? Yeah, fantastic, look at that. Let me see where we are at the moment. Let's give this a little try and see where we are. Oh, man, that is amazing. The flavor of the taste and the texture is fantastic. The only thing I would do, to be honest, is put a little bit of sea salt, because most of the stuff that I'm using doesn't got salt in them, guys. Trust me. They're all salt free. Now over here, let's go back over to the rice and peas and see where we are. Alright, rice and peas look good. Alright, and to be honest, this is rice and peas, guys. You don't even know what I'm talking about. If you want to eat something totally different, this is something for you. Alright, this is going to be something fantastic and amazing. But you guys are going to see how the rice and peas look. I don't even do nothing to the rice and peas, as you can see. Let's see what I'm going right now. Yeah. That's perfect. 100% perfect. Yeah. 100% perfect. We don't need to go any further with this. Alright? Yeah. Now look at the sauce. Alright, this looking so good. Look at that. Just want that to just stick now, and we are good to go. Now, we see what I'm going with the jerk chicken, because we don't want the jerk chicken burn up enough. Alright, we don't want the jerk chicken to burn up. Alright, that looking good. Yeah man, the jerk chicken looking good. Jerk chicken looking amazing. Yeah. Alright, now, what I'm gonna simply say to you, if you notice there's a whole heap of cooking going on, and the cooking are like, you know what I mean, is a massive cooking from Chef Ricardo. Alright, now, what me show you going on over there, guys. Let me open up the camera and make you guys can see exactly what's going on. Alright, beautiful one, as you can see. Now, the rice and peas is finished. Alright, that's the rice and peas. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, what are going on with the rice and peas? Look at this. Alright, the rice and peas are a little bit warm still, but it is finished and it's looking good and it's not sticky. Alright, because you know sometimes people cook the rice and peas is sticky. This is loose up. And I know when the rice is loose up, alright? So this is good. Alright, yeah. Alright. Here style of cooking now, guys. Now what we're gonna do, alright, put a medium sized frying pan on the stove. Alright. With a little bit of oil. Not much, just a little bit of oil. Alright. You don't need to use a whole heap of oil, just a little bit of oil in our kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright, look at that. Now, this is the last one I have, and I'm gonna simply show you how to do this one. Jamaican fry plantain. If you want to learn how to fry plantain in a different kind of way, peel on your plantain. Don't do what I'm doing and cut it long way like this. Alright, some different kind of way of frying plantain. We do plantain one school way, so we want to try something different now. Alright, so you cut it down long like this. Don't cut it into your hand, cut it on a cutting board. I just want to simply show you what I go on. And through his Father's Day, we decide to do something different. Alright, now plantain time. Alright, look at that. Alright, that's how the sauce are boiling right now, guys. We're just gonna leave the sauce and make it reduce. Yeah, man. So, as you can see for yourself, that's a new way to fry plantain for you. Alright, big up all the person who are watching and support Chef Ricardo right now. Take the time to say thank you guys for watching. And please share some love, alright? That's all I'm big on. Share some love. So right there, as you can see, we have fried some plantain, and it's a different old school way of frying the plantain. Yo, Chris, big up yourself, man. Long time, Chris. Big up yourself. As you can see what I go on now, different kind of old school of frying plantain. So as you can see, that's a new way of frying plantain, alright? Yeah. New brand way of frying plantain in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Now look at that. That's the sauce. Sauce will boil up. You know? Yeah, now make him go and boil and now reduce. Nice one. So basically, yeah, this is a fried plantain from Chef Ricardo. I don't want enough to burn up enough. Yeah. These are some Jamaican sweet plantain. These plantain come all the way from Jamaica, guys. Trust me. Look at that. Look at the color of the plantain them. Beautiful color. Sauce is boiling up. Things looking good. Big up all of the fathers them who make it possible today. From Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? And that's the normal way we normally do it in the kitchen. Alright? Yeah. It's a beautiful one. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned in. The video soon done. But now I won't up nobody time too long today. But I keep it small, short and spicy. Alright, this is a sauce for the jerk chicken. Alright. Yeah man, I eat that. Look on that. Beautiful and nice. Yeah. Tastes so nice and spicy. Wicked. Sauce is nice, man. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Alright. Yeah. Make you guys can see what going on over there with the plantain. Alright, that's the plantain over there. Alright? Yeah, man. That's the plantain. Plantain, guys. Alright. This is finished. But we don't want to burn up the plantain them enough. Them may look nice. Alright, the plantain them finished. Alright. And that's the sauce. Yeah. That's the sauce boiling up, alright? Beautiful, fantastic and amazing. Look at the sauce boiling up over there. Yeah man, I hit that. Yeah, big up for yourself from Chef Ricardo today, who make it possible for this one. That's how we normally do it in the kitchen when we are cooking. Alright, now, as I say, yeah. Yeah, we got a whole of planting and all them thing there. Alright, that's the sauce, you know, guys. The sauce is, I just allow it for it to reduce. You know, you don't want to rush it. You know what I mean? Yeah, you just want to just leave it and make it reduce by itself. Alright? So what I'm going to do, let me see what I'm going. I may have to strain it right now, guys. Alright? Yeah, I may have to run it through my strainer. Yeah, but this looking good, to be honest. Yeah, it does looking really amazing. Fantastic. Alright, yeah man. As I said, the rice and peas is done. And that's the rice and peas. Alright. Full 100% video from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Rice and peas done. And what I'm gonna do now is simple shear it up. Make you guys can see what go on. Alright. Yeah. Yeah man. Now, that's the sauce. Alright? That's the sauce right over there. Alright guys? That's that beautiful sauce. So what we want to do, I need to strain it. Alright, I'm gonna run it through my strainer. Let's turn off the stove over there. Yeah, I'm just gonna run this through my strainer now. Just to show you guys what I'm gonna do. I'll just run it through my strainer right now. Cause you have to strain the sauce. Alright, what I'm gonna do is turn off my stove. I'm just gonna turn off the cooker now. Yeah, you just want the sauce to reduce. Once it reduces, you are good to go. Alright, let me see what's going on right now in the kitchen over here. So let's put this one aside. Let's get this right here. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at the chicken. Because we don't want to forget about the chicken and if you're watching the video with Chef Ricardo. Alright? Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright? That's the chicken. Alright guys? That's the chicken. Look at that chicken over there. You know what I mean? Don't play with Chef Ricardo, you know. Look at the chicken. Turn off the cooker. Alright. Yeah. Yeah man, let's look at the chicken and everything. Everything looking like fantastic and amazing. Now, as I said, you might see me there cook and I might say, oh, where my cook? Alright, this is the chicken. This is the jerk chicken that we're doing at the oven. You understand? So it look nice? Yeah. Perfect. It's like, look at that. Beautiful. It's like you do it on the grill outside. I know, it's not on the grill outside. It's in the oven, guys. Alright, but look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. But lovely. Now what you can do, you know what I mean, all this beautiful sauce, you can just simple. You know what I mean? Yeah. Pour some of that sauce on top of it like this. You know what I mean? Yeah. Make it soak on it. Yeah. That's the jerk chicken looking lovely and nice. From the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. Alright? It's beautiful. Now, I start to plate up this thing already. Alright? That's the rice and peas. We got some fried plantain. Alright, look at that. Alright, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, yeah. That looking fantastic and amazing, guys. Rice and peas. And we got the fried plantain. Now, what we're gonna do, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's up to you guys. You know, you can do simple. Put your jerk chicken right there. It's Father's Day. So a little bit of vegetable, yeah. Alright. So a little bit of vegetable. Little bit of vegetable. Then what you wanna do is that an amazing sauce. You just simple pour it on top of it like that. The sauce could have thicken a little bit more, but that's fine. No rush. You know what I mean? The sauce could have thicken a little bit more. But yeah. Yeah, the sauce could have thicken a little bit more. But as I say, we don't use corn flour in it because yeah, we just keep it simple. I got some broccoli and some cauliflower which I just boil off. Just a simple little vegetable. 95% of it have to be some vegetable same way. Alright guys, and that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about in the kitchen this evening. I'm done and dusted. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. And I say Father's Day, and that's how we normally do it on Father's Day. Really appreciate you guys to watch this video. This was a long episode. I normally don't do a long episode like this, but I just decided to share something with you guys today because I'm home, and you know what I mean, yeah, you know what I mean, if you're home and you want to do something, that's what happened when you're in the kitchen. You have to do what you have to do. Alright, shout out to every Instagram audience, and thank you so much for watching this episode from Chef Ricardo Cooking today. Really appreciate it. It was a long video, guys. Like probably about 2 hours. A long time I don't do a video like this so long. But you can see it for yourself. It's a beautiful, you know what I mean. I just decided to share something for you simple. The rice and peas, I use a tin kidney bean. And to be honest with the tin kidney bean, I do not put the liquid in your rice and peas. That's the whole thing I was telling you guys after the whole show. You know what I mean? Yeah. But as you can see, here it is. The sauce couldn't thicken it a little bit more, but time is running out, and you know what I mean, I just decided to just cut it short, alright? But got some fried plantain, rice and peas, and you know what I mean, vegetable and the jerk chicken. It's a Father's Day. Big up on yourself. Shout out to every one of you guys. I know it's a very long video, but at the end of the day, I can get it done. You know what I mean? Yeah, 100%. So, big up to every one of you guys who take the time and watch this video right now. We got more video coming and more recipes and more ideas. Alright? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. I'm not going to keep you guys no longer. I'm definitely going to cut right now. I'm a little bit hungry and all them thing there. Alright? SW William, thank you so much. T100, thank you so much. Shout out to everyone of you. Love and all. And respect from Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will definitely see you with another video. Again, in the kitchen. More recipe, more video will be coming. Alright? And as I say, I'm not going to keep it no longer because this was a very raw 1111. Big up. Thank you so much. Alright? My YouTube channel now. Pro, big up yourself. AJ, big up yourself. Chris, big up yourself. PJ, AJ. Chef Nicole, thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate every one of you guys. And definitely I will be coming with a lot more recipe. Alright? Big up on yourself. Like, all of love and respect. But, you know what I mean, as I say, the camera going to cut. Alright? The camera going to cut now, guys. There's nothing else I can do. Big up yourself, Nicole. I can't do nothing else. The camera going to cut now. Shout out to everyone. And I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye-bye.